Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is my 6 a.m. cleaning morning routine. This is what I do when I want to have a nice relaxing rest of the day, and you are going to see in a minute why I want to have such a relaxing day. There is a new member of our family, so I'm just going to go ahead, make a cup of tea, get the curtains opened so I can sit down with him and have my cup of tea and just relax with some candles on and have a nice relaxing morning. So his name is Cinnabon and he is our pet rabbit. I absolutely love him so much. So this morning is completely different to any other morning. We've never had a fur baby before, so I'm going to whiz around and just do as much as possible while still trying to spend as much time as I can with him. So I'm just going to start off in the kitchen by getting all of the washing up done, cleaning down the sink and the sides and just getting it nice and fresh for the day.
Beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slammed the door, I would be the richest girl alive. But you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me,
so once I've done all the washing up, I'm then going to go in using my Flash all-purpose cleaner just to give everything a good wipe over. It's not too bad, and I've recently given the hob a good deep clean, so it really just needs a surface clean today. So I'm just going to go over everything and give it a good wipe down. I'm now going to go ahead and put all the washing up away. I love to have a nice finished kitchen, so I just want to put that away so I can go in and clean the sink and get the sink nice and shiny, because you know that is one of my favourite things, and one of my favourite chores to do is cleaning the sink. So I just want to put everything away so I can get the kitchen completely finished.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried.
So once I've given it a good scrub with the Minky and the Sif cream, I'm then going to go in with my white vinegar spray and a dry microfiber cloth and just give it a good buff. It really does buff it up. It makes it super shiny. I love doing this. It just really makes it sparkle.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I
that's all done, I'm heading through into the living room, and as you can see, it could do with a good tidy and a good hoover. And just having Cinnabon's little playpen in the corner has really thrown me for a loop, because it was a spur of the moment thing. We didn't really plan on getting a rabbit, so everything's sort of up in the air at the moment, and I'm still just trying to figure out what he needs, what I need to do, and everything like that. So there is a new playpen coming that's a lot bigger, but we are litter training as well, so he'll be pretty much just free roam in the living room. So he's not going to be confined to a small space all the time. This is just temporary, but while he's there, I need to rearrange some things in the living room. So I'm just going to try and figure out where to put the table and the throw blankets. And as you can see, I've always got to take a step back and just assess what it looks like and see what I like. So I'm just going back and forth trying to figure everything out, but eventually I do get there. I really like how it ends up looking.
Gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky.
I'm now going to go in and do the hoovering, because as you can imagine, there's hay everywhere. So it's a really good job that I enjoy hoovering, because of the amount of times I have to do this every day now. So I'm just going to go around and freshen everything up. I'm not going to be doing all of the dusting and everything, because he is still a baby. I don't want to scare him too much by doing all the dusting and working around him, which is why I thought today would be an ideal day to do my morning routine. So if you are wanting a relaxing day, but you also need to clean, make sure that you just focus on the living room and the kitchen, because you can get so much done during the morning. So I'm just going to go around and make everything nice and cozy by putting the fire on, putting the lights on, and just relaxing with my bunny for the rest of the day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you back here in the next one.
Sun's coming up like the day.